cigarette, man.
Right here. Keep it down. You gonna wake the honeys.
You got 3 bitches in there, son.
I was going for 6. But I don't know what happened to the other 3.
That's because they your mouth, bro. You must go get all of them, man.
You learn from the best.
What? What's that?
I said you learn from the best. You know that.
Man, whatever, man. I hope you rapping your stuff, man.
Me? Nah, dog. This player likes to keep it real.
You joking, right? Only woman you messing around with, you gonna end up catch something, either end up somebody's daddy or dead, man.
If I catch something, I get a quick shot, and I'm good. Honestly, it's no worries, man. And for that baby daddy part, right? Don't start no shit, and there won't be no shit. This player ain't going down.
I hear you crazy though, man. Keep